are 5 very easy good habits all kidney patients should pick up. They can restore kidney function even in the advanced stages. And science confirms that. Catherine here. Today's video is all about the top 5 best good habits to make your way of eating more alkaline. Fact. Large reviews of studies prove that even patients in stage 4 can stop kidney disease progression and in some cases restore some of their kidney function when they replace acidic foods with alkaline ones. Yes, it's that easy. In treating kidney disease, many doctors overlook the diet to focus more on medications. While I will never tell you to disregard what your doctor says, there are studies to confirm that eating differently can really mean a lot for your kidneys. In almost a decade working with people suffering from kidney disease, I've met several patients who got more benefits from an improved diet than from any medication. Some of them even reverse kidney disease, and I will prove you that it is possible in today's video. The reason why this is possible is simple. The kidneys are the organ in the body supposed to remove excess acidity from the food you eat. This puts a lot of strain on them, more than what impaired kidneys can manage. This is why the top 5 good habits I'll show you today can make all the difference between a diet that's helping your kidney health and one that's causing kidney damage. Let's see immediately how to do this. Our good habit number 5 is an easy and very tasty way of starting the day. This recipe is not just very alkalizing, it will also help keep your blood pressure and cholesterol down. Let's see it. Number 5. Oh, what do we have here? A very healthy and alkaline beet and ginger juice. This is a very healthy morning drink that will help your kidneys get better. A recipe similar to this was tested in CKD stage 4 and 5 patients and resulted in huge reduction in blood pressure. The trick here is using amazingly healthy ingredients. First of all, to make 1 cup of juice, we have 1 apple. Wash it, dice it, and put the pieces in the juicer. Apples are incredibly healthy for people with kidney problems. They are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, great to protect the kidneys from inflammation. Then, let's add a medium beetroot. This small veggie right here can actually lower your blood pressure. This superfood has been gaining popularity due to recent studies proving its efficacy in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It's all about the nitrates. And last, some ginger. This is a favorite of mine as it's not just one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods on earth. It can also help relieve nausea quickly. And our healthy alkaline juice is ready! What you need to know is that beets are medium high in potassium, about 250 milligrams per beet, but this doesn't mean this recipe cannot be part of a healthy renal diet. Recent research is disproving the link between serum potassium and dietary potassium. Researchers now think that there is a hidden cause for high potassium levels in people with kidney problems. Do you want to know what it is? I've talked about this in my video up here. But don't go away yet! I have 4 even more powerful good habits to show you. Because the easiest way to repair damaged kidneys is by replacing foods that create acidity with those that remove it. To do this, we just need to eat more of the incredibly healthy superfood that I'm going to show you next. Number 4, eat more of these alkaline superfoods. Starting with berries. There are many berries you can eat depending on the season, but they all have 3 things in common. All berries are very rich in vitamins and powerful antioxidants. They're very low in potassium and they're alkaline. And also consider cabbage. We can almost say that cabbage is a low potassium version of kale, one of the healthiest foods on the planet. In fact, it is part of the Brassica oleracea family, which includes kale. And while there are many varieties of cabbage such as red, green, white, and purple, they're all incredibly alkaline. And also consider bell pepper. Peppers really pack a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folic acid. Red bell peppers are good for you because they also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects organs from damage. They are very low in potassium, just 88 milligrams per half cup serving, and also very alkaline. I've kept the best for last, kiwi fruit. Despite its bitter taste, kiwi fruit will make your body more alkaline. Kiwi fruit is incredibly good for you because it's one of the best sources of vitamin C available. Actually, better than citrus fruit. Great for those with anemia. And there's even evidence that eating one kiwi fruit a day may lower blood pressure more than one apple a day. Amazing! And the icing on the cake is that kiwi fruits are incredibly alkaline. A whopping minus 4.1 on the PRAL score. Wait. What is the PRAL score? PRAL stands for potential renal acid load. It is a measurement of the amount of acid your kidneys will have to remove. Higher PRAL values indicate more acid is produced from that food. Negative PRAL values indicate that the food is actually helping the kidneys removing acid. So this score tells us, in short, how kidney-friendly a food actually is. Remember, the kidneys are the main organ supposed to remove excess acidity from the blood. So the foods in this list with a negative score are going to help the kidneys, while those with a positive score are going to burden them more. While it's safe to consider almost all grains very alkaline, almost all fruits alkaline, and meat and fish generally acidic, there are some surprises. But you don't have to learn all this by heart. This PDF I'm showing you is a very complete list of foods with their PRAL score, and you can download it for free right now so you can keep it on your phone or print it. Link is in description. Question: does the alkaline diet really work? This is a question I always get asked, especially from people in the advanced stages of kidney disease. Catherine, my doctor, told me there's no cure for kidney disease, just dialysis. How come you're saying that people can restore kidney function just by eating more alkaline? In a study published in the most influential paper when it comes to kidney health, the Journal of Renal Nutrition, patients in stage 4 kidney disease were able to get back a significant amount of kidney function simply by removing meat from their diet and adding more fruits and vegetables. We are talking pre-dialysis patients here, and this is all documented. In particular, one published case study was a pre-dialysis borderline stage 5 woman with hypertension, diabetes, and just one working kidney. She was preparing for dialysis, but just by replacing meat in the diet with fruit and vegetables, her GFR immediately bounced back and was stable at around 25 for 4 years. No more dialysis risk for her. Another one. Male patient, stage 5 pre-dialysis with severe cardiac dysfunction was advised on a low-protein diet with added vegetables. This is incredible. He was in stage 5, but just by reducing protein and acid foods intake, he was able to avoid dialysis for the rest of his life. During this study, many other patients in stage 4 and 5 of CKD were able to stop the progression of CKD, some even to reverse it. just decreasing the quantity of meat and other high biological values protein sources such as eggs, fish, and cheese, and by eating more fruit and veggies. Amazing, isn't it? Guys, I'm linking these studies down in description if you want to verify by yourself. Bottom line here is that there are few things that really work to reverse kidney disease, and switching to an alkaline diet is definitely one of them. Maybe the most effective. While it's very important to know what foods to eat, as we have seen, knowing what foods to avoid is even more effective to protect your kidneys. Let's see now what some of the most dangerous kidney killer foods are. Number 3, foods to avoid. There are 5 categories of foods you should absolutely avoid in a renal diet. Desserts and snacks such as ice creams, candies, pastries, and so on should always be avoided, especially by diabetics. Added sugar causes inflammation, can make you gain weight, and it's addictive. Also, these foods are acid forming. Fried, high-fat foods and processed foods in general are very acid-forming too. And I want to make a point clear here. The type of processing matters when determining alkalinity. Eating a food raw, dried, cooked, or boiled has the potential to change the chemical makeup of the food. Always prefer boiling and sautéing to deep frying. Dairy should be avoided too. Meat is one of the most acid-forming foods on the menu. Also, it's a source of protein. Last group to avoid: acid-inducing drinks, especially dark colas. They add a lot of acid to the body and damage the kidneys. Now, there is a very cheap and safe home remedy that can easily undo some of the damage these foods may cause. And not just that, it may even help with potassium levels and other complications of kidney disease. Before I show you what it is, a lot of kidney disease patients are using this program to improve their kidney function and lower their creatinine levels. There are some very inspiring success stories here on Overlook Kidney. People are reversing their kidney disease thanks to what they're learning from this program. If you want to give a fast boost to your kidney health, you should consider downloading it. I'm leaving a link down in the description. Check it out to know more. Okay, it's time for our number 2 now. This is one of the most powerful remedies to improve your kidney health that there is. Number 2, use baking soda. Baking soda is a true miracle remedy for people with kidney problems. All the good habits we have seen today have one aim: to help the kidneys keep the acid-alkaline balance in the body. The more acidic foods we ingest, the more burden on the kidneys. On the other hand, baking soda is a base extremely alkaline. It directly removes burden from the kidneys. And this is why studies confirm that administering baking soda can effectively slow down the progression of kidney disease even in stage 4 CKD patients. And not many people know this, but if your doctor prescribes you baking soda, you don't need to go to the pharmacy and buy expensive and hard to find sodium bicarbonate tablets. The baking soda supermarkets sell is 100% pure sodium bicarbonate, and it's safe to consume. Now, while many patients just take 1 gram sodium bicarbonate 3 times a day with water and hope for the best, it's always better to have a doctor that can get the dosage right. There's a test called sodium bicarbonate that will let your doctor know how much baking soda you need exactly. Now guys, baking soda is incredibly powerful against kidney disease. There is only one thing better actually. This is our number 1 for today. In many studies, this good habit was proven capable of completely stopping or even reversing the progression of kidney disease. Doctors are still baffled at how well this works. Number 1, remove protein from the diet. Fact: foods high in protein such as meat, Fish, dairy, and eggs are some of the most acid-forming foods you could be eating. Not to mention that protein in them is going to directly damage the kidneys. This is what a large review of studies involving almost 3,000 kidney disease patients proved. Actually, a diet very low in protein is proven to stop kidney disease progression even in the advanced stages. In this video, I've explained the easiest way in the world to implement this life-saving diet. Click here to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.